All right, everyone, welcome. The 30th of April, the last day of the month of April. Looking at the daily time frame, daily is now starting to consolidate. Wow, let's remove this here. Go to properties, go to this here. Awesome. Daily is starting to consolidate now. Beautiful. 4 hour as well. You can see right here, we're coming down to some sort of a 4-hour support. Looking down to the 1 hour time frame, I've already plotted out some zones because I was playing around with stuff, so I'm going to leave this as it is. Now, dropping down to a 30-minute time frame, it's very clear that we do have this support formed on the 30-minute, right? And as long as we have the support formed, we know that if a candle can break and close below 33.05, you have a sort of you have a better probability for price to continue to push down in this 100 pip range, literally just waiting for candle to break and close below 33.05. On the other hand, if you look at from a buying perspective, you see that there's a resistance at 33.29, and then there's also a minor resistance on the 15-minute time frame, which is right at 33.11, 33.12, 33.1250, right? There's a resistance at 33.1250, and if we break and close above this area, 33.13, we can continue pushing up in the 62 pip range. So currently, we're just consolidating between 33.12 and 33.05 in the 64 pip range. So you just literally gotta wait for price to break above 33.1215. And then we can continue to push up. Like something that happened right over here. Look, the candle closed strong bullish. Next candle, 15-minute candle, wow, 44 pips. Lots of volume. We also got ADP today, so ADP is not going to have much volume as we've seen in the past. So we'll see what happens in London session. Let's take a look at pound yen. Looking at pound yen, from a daily perspective, it's starting to consolidate here a little bit. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, we have a support established. We have a resistance established as well. Awesome. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the should not have done that. Anyway, look, we will adjust the zones on the 1 hour anyway. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, support, resistance, very basic terminologies, nothing so complicated, right? Very simple stuff. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, right over here, and we got resistance and we have support. That's it, right? Now, this 30-minute candle has broken the high of the previous 30-minute candle, so probably we're creating a support here as well, a minor support. We got a minor support on the 30-minute time frame. If we break below the support, the next support is, I would say, around 190, 440, 23 pip range. You see the volume is getting normal on pound yen, smaller ranges. Then we got resistance at 190.900. Above this area, the next resistance is 13 pips away, not even worth it. Next one is 35 pips away, all the way up to 191.259. So I think this could be a possibility for price to continue to push up. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. We're just consolidating here. So, right off the bat, you can see that the price action and market structure in pound yen is not that good as it is on gold, right? For sells and buys. Amazing price line. Just have to wait. Now, this is a range I'm not going to be interested to trade in, either above 33.1250 or below 33.05. So let's see what happens. We're going to see you guys for London session anyway, till London Open. We will see you then. Take care.